They all say the same thing over and over and over, especially if they're rich and old.
And white. They're
even more predictable. So you go to Stanford in the summer program now? Interesting. What program? E145. I hear interesting stuff comes out of that. You want to buy a $5 slice of pizza? Can I buy 40 bucks worth? Even the box? Box is $5 extra. You're a hustler. Love you. I didn't think that what you said would work, but it totally actually works. Oh my God. Can you send me the video for the first class? Because the first class that you were at, I thought you were totally joking. It turns out this stuff really works. Tom Kosnick anointed me to do this. 7/8 baked. Let's keep going. Do you like how I'm your assistant?
It's your turn, right?
Not sure. What was it? I was saying company name?
Company
Okay.
name.
YouTube.
Pens.
Okay, so YouTube Pens is a video website which is for Common Craft video. People draw the videos and upload them to YouTube Pens, and all of the videos on YouTube Pens are drawn by hand with pens.
TechCrunch.
Unofficial.
Unofficial TechCrunch.
Covering.
Okay. TechCrunch is an illegitimate company and just puts out unofficial things.